Hey y'all, it's Rene here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome. If you are new here, come on, sit on down. I have room for you, okay? This is a place where I do my hair, do a little bit of beauty, and just basically pull myself together. And so I'm just so glad that you have decided to join me today. And if you are returning, come on y'all, let's get ready. We're gonna do some hair, okay? So today I'm gonna show you guys how I did these nice, cool two-strand twists. And you probably like, Kaya, we've already seen a two-strand twist video. You already have one. What are you doing? We've seen it. Don't do it again. But check these roots. You haven't seen a two-strand twist with these roots right here. So if you want to see how I did it, be sure to stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm starting off on day old, freshly washed, deep conditioned, and detangled hair. I wore my hair in these twists to work, and so now I'm about to style it. So what you see me doing here is just taking the twister loose and separating the hair out so I can prepare to style. I'm gonna go in with some water because my hair is bone dry, and so I don't want to start this style on dry hair. The style works better when my hair is a bit damp. I went in with my favorite, you already know, my curl activating cream, just to add some extra moisture. I'm gonna seal all that goodness in with what? Some olive oil, okay? Alright, so I've done 2 of the rows already. I just wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what it looks like and how I just proceed through it. So what you see me doing here is adding some of my twist defining cream. I'm gonna do a little bit of a detangle. And then I'm going to follow up with some styling foam. So for these particular twists, I want to use styling foam because it makes them look nice and plump once they dry, and it draws the twist up so they can appear a little bit shorter. And I like that. And so what you're going to see me do here is I'm braiding the root. And you're like, girl, why are you braiding the root of your twist? These are two-strand twists. That doesn't make any sense. It makes perfect sense because it allows you to keep your hair looking crisp and neat, especially in those nice parts, for a lot longer. So you see me here just separating the hair in 3 sections and braiding down about 1/2 inch. And you see me adding a clip here because now it's time to twist it. So what I'm doing is I'm breaking those 3 sections down into 2 equal sections, detangling and beginning to twist. And you're probably like, okay, so what's the purpose of the clip? While you're twisting, I didn't want my hair to twist because it'd be too much tension at the root since I've already braided it. So I put the clip there just to prevent the hair from twisting at the top. And I'll go ahead and twist all the way down to the very bottom. And then I'm gonna coil that in around my finger. And then boom, there they go. And as the twists dry, they're all gonna draw up and be about the same size. They're gonna get plump about the same size. And what you see me doing here is going ahead and parting it down in the blind. Just got to test and make sure it's straight. And then I proceeded to do the next twist in that row. And I zoomed in a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. And I layered all the same products, the twist defining cream and the styling foam. And you see how I'm kind of pulling the roots kind of taut. Not taut enough to pull the hair out straight from the root, but just taut enough so that the twist and those parts are just clearly defined and you can see them. And like I said, I just braid down about 1/2 inch. And then I split the 3 sections and then I twist. And here you see me here adding that clip because you know what time it is. It's time to twist. Now, hey, if you are enjoying this video, right, go ahead and like it. If you are enjoying my content overall, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop a new video, okay? Come on back now. Now what you saw me doing right there, just detangling the hair right before I began to 2-strand twist, okay? Boom, I'm already done with the twist. I'm gonna remove that clip and then look at it. And so what I did with these twists, I did my best to try to window them so the back of my hair can look really, really full. And that's what my twists look like as it's beginning to dry and set and be their beautiful selves. Now boom, here we are, we get into the front of the hair. And with the front of the hair, I did the same exact process. I layered the same exact products, you know, starting with a nice base. I dampened the hair. I went in with my curl activating cream. I sealed it all in with olive oil, and then I began to part the hair. Now what you see me doing here is taking extra care to move the twists out of the way because I don't want to make them wet. I've already set everything with products, so I just want to make sure I'm focused on that front section. Boom. Okay, so now you see me here. You're like, okay, girl, wait a minute. You just came from a whole side of hair to now you halfway done that side. So basically what I did on the side of my head, like I said, I did windows. So by my ear, I did 1, and then I went up to 2, and then I went up to 3 twists. So it still created that window look. And so what you see here is 1, 2, 3 twists, just how I described. And so like I did before, added all the products. I went in with my twist defining cream, my styling foam. I braided it about ½ an inch down, added the clip, and then 2-strand twisted it. Now in comparison from the back to the front part maybe a little bit smaller because my hair is not as dense in the front as it is in the back, so I just wanted to make sure that my hair looked full overall and I didn't want the front to look sparse. So if you have some of that same type of hair asymmetry where the front of your hair is not as dense as is the back, that may be something you need to do. Make the parts in the front just a little bit smaller so you can have, you know, a fair amount of twist there so everything can look uniformly full. And here I am twisting all the way down to the bottom. Boom, and there we go. And you see how I said I had 1 by the ear, 2, and then 3. Boom, so on the other side of the head, I did the exact same thing. So you see here, it's only 2. Under those 2 twists, there's only 1, and going above the 2 that you see here, there's going to be 3. So just to keep it with that window symmetry thing, those lines, loved it. And I followed the same exact process, and I'm gonna twist on down. And y'all, wait till y'all see it. Wait till y'all see it. Wait till y'all see these twists. Y'all just wait. Look at your girl. Look at them. And as they dried, everything came together. Around about the same length. They look all nice and plump and shiny. I mean, girl, yes. Yes. And do it. So hey guys, I hope you enjoyed my braided 2-strand twist video. If you did, don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe, okay? If you enjoy my content, subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. Let me know if you're gonna try to do your 2-strand twist like this. If you are, like I said, let me know. And until next time, see you later. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.